Good morning, children. Today we have the new exercise which is 10.6. Listen, in differential equations, the topic is just solve the equation. That's all. So we want to identify ourselves what is the type, whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or it is a linear in x or linear in y or ordinary variables separable, which we completed already. So in this chapter, just the keyword is solve. We want to identify the type. Now come to this question. Solve the equation x plus y into cos is angle of y by x into dx is equal to x into cos is angle of y by x into dy is the question. Okay. First, we want to identify the type. Listen, first let us try to identify whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. If it is not a homogeneous differential equation, then we want to move the next type, linear in x or linear in y. And a question which is not a homogeneous linear in x and linear in y means, then finally it comes under variables separable. So it is a technique for this chapter. Okay, here first I want to identify homogeneous differential equation or not. For that, if all the terms powers are equal, then the equation is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Listen the verification. Can you tell me how many terms in the moon bracket, in the square bracket? Yes, there are two terms are there. Say first term x. First term x whose power is 1. So that is x power 1, power 1. Okay. Come to second term. In second term, y. Y means y power 1. So first term power 1, second term power 1, and no need to verify the powers in cos is angle of, sin is angle of, and log is a function of, so sine inverse of. So in such cases, no need to verify the power. So it is enough to verify outside only. Here cos is angle of y by x, here no need to verify. Suppose sine is angle of x by y, or log is a function of x. So such cases, no need to verify power. Okay. Again, first term power 1, second term y power 1, and no need to verify in cos ratio. And if you verify also no mistake, because listen, here numerator power 1, denominator power 1 itself cancel. That means here power 0, here already power 1, so no problem. No need to verify cos ratio, sin ratio. Okay. Here x power 1, y power 1. Okay, 2 times over. Come to RHS. In RHS, x power 1. And no need to verify in cos ratio. So listen here, power 1, power 1, power 1. So this is a homogeneous differential equation, that's all. And for homogeneous differential equation, we want to make the form dy by dx equal to something. Dy by dx equal to something. And also one more logic, here y by x, y by x, y by x means we want to make the form dy by dx. Sometimes, suppose x by y, x by y, x by y means we want to make the form dx by dy. For homogeneous differential equation, we have two types. Some questions, that is only 3 questions, we want to make dx by dy is equal to something for homogeneous differential equation. And remaining all the sums, remaining all the sums, we have to make dy by dx equal to something for homogeneous differential equation. So which is a technique. Okay. See, all the questions want to make dy by dx equal to something. Only 3 questions are available. We have to make a dx by dy. Okay, how to identify whether the question comes under the model dx by dy means, here for example, x by y, x by y, x by y means make a dx by dy. Suppose y by x, y by x, y by x, e power y by x, likewise, we want to make the form dy by dx. So it is a technique. Okay. Now take your question first. The given question is, x plus y into cos is angle of y by x square bracket into dy into dx, which is equal to x into cos is angle of y by x into dy. Yes, already I told here y by x, y by x, y by x, so want to make dy by dx equal to something. So for our convenience, dy is in right side, but dx in left side. So for our convenience, reverse the question for our convenience. Right side as left and left side as right. That's all. The value will not change. Okay, write this part to left side. That is x into cos is angle of y by x into dy, which is equal to. Now this LHS part goes to RHS. That is square bracket x plus y into cos is angle of y by x, square bracket complete, into dx. That's all. Okay. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, listen. This is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now, yes, already we aimed that. Because of y by x, let us make dy by dx equal to something. So, dx comes left side. And x into cos is angle of y by x. So, this part goes to right, it becomes divided. Okay, we are going to get dy already in left side. So, dy, dx comes left side. That is divided by dx, which is equal to, say, long divider. Write this as numerator, which is x plus y into cos is angle of y by x. Yes, enough, that's all. Okay, now this left side goes to right, it becomes divided. That is x into cos is angle of y by x. Okay. Now, say for homogeneous differential equation, make dy by dx equal to something. And now also one can identify the type. That is, listen the numerator. Say x power 1, y power 1. So power 1, no need to verify in cos ratio. Okay, numerator power 1. Come to denominator. Yes, denominator there is one term where x power 1, no need to verify in cos ratio. So power 1, numerator power 1, denominator power 1. So the powers are equal. Therefore, which is a homogeneous differential equation. That's all. And now using pencil, for a homogeneous differential equation, using pencil, here differential of y. Differential of y means put y equal to vx. That's all. Put y is equal to vx. Suppose dx by dy means, here numerator dx means put x equal to vy. That's all. That is the technique. Again, listen, here differential of y using pencil, differential of y, therefore put y is equal to vx. Now, listen, here y is a function of x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here y is a function of x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to. And also one more idea. Here the difference. Here differential of y with respect to x. Already the given question is differential of y with respect to x. Therefore, here also we want to differentiate with respect to x. That is the technique. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get differential of y with respect to x is given by dy by dx. Okay, which is equal to. Now, Vx is of the form? Yes, U into V model. Vx is of the form U into V method. Okay, U into V method means? Yes, very good. Here, V fixed x differentiation 1 plus, now yourself? Yes, x fixed and differential of V with respect to x. Okay. Differential of v with respect to x, anyone may. Differential of x with respect to x is given by dv by dx. So, into dv by dx. Again, listen. Differential of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Yes, this answer must be LHS of the before step. Okay. And now, yes, right answer is of the form, you know that U into V model. So, V fixed x differentiation 1 plus x fixed differential of V with respect to x is given by dv by dx. Yes, dv by dx. Remember, here denominator dx is denominator dx, denominator dx. That is the technique. Now, box it for our convenience. Okay. Now, suppose let it be which is equation number 1. Now, wherever y, put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Y square is equal to, suppose y square available means, put y equal to vx, sometimes y square, y cube, y power 4 also available. So in that cases, put y square is equal to v square x square, y cube is equal to v cube x cube, likewise. Okay. And then where the LHS dy by dx, instead of this LHS, substitute v plus x into dv by dx, that's all. Now simply 1 becomes, that's all. You are going to get answer. Okay, 1 becomes. Now I need a next page. Here there is no place, so I want to start with next page. Listen, it is very simple. 1 becomes. 1 becomes here dy by dx. Dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Yes, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, that is LHS. 1 becomes LHS becomes v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, which is equal to. where LHS becomes v plus x into dv by dx, okay, which is equal to x plus, put y equal to vx into cos angle of y equal to vx divided by x, fully divided by x into cos angle of, put y equal to vx, wherever y, put y equal to vx, okay, y equal to vx by x, that's the technique, okay, which is equal to, now yourself, yes, say first term x fixed plus y, where y is equal to, yes, vx, into cos is angle of y is equal to, here numerator y is equal to vx divided by x, okay, complete the bracket. Now denominator yourself, yes, listen, here x into cos is angle of y is equal to vx by x, complete the bracket. Okay, any simplification? Yes, the simplification is that, listen, here x cancel, x cancel. Any other idea? Yes, what remains in cos ratio? Yes, remaining cos b, here remaining cos b. And any more idea? Yes, from numerator, say x present in two places, so x common. X common means here x and y present 1. So, while taking x common from numerator, x into 1 plus v into cos v. Okay, come to denominator. Yes, already denominator 1 time, so x into cos v, right as it is. Numerator common, x common, denominator right as it is, okay, which is equal to, yes, numerator x into 1 plus, x comes outside means x coefficient remaining 1, so 1 plus v into cos v, complete the bracket, divided by x into cos v, okay. Now any idea? Good, where x cancel. And also in homogeneous differential equation, definitely in this step, x variable fully going to cancel. Then only your steps are correct. Otherwise, there is a mistake in middle. Okay, that is one technique. Alright, remaining, which is equal to 1 plus v into cos v divided by cos v. Okay. Now, write the LHS as it is. V plus x into dv by dx. Okay. Now, again, for our convenience, this plus v goes to right becomes minus v. Okay, which means write a remaining part, that is the second term, x into dv by dx. Okay, keep x into dv by dx as it is, and the plus v goes to right minus v. Here plus v goes to right minus v, not only this sum but also for all the sums the same model. Plus v goes to right minus v. Now which is equal to just cross multiplication. Okay, yourself, yes, cross multiplication. Here v by 1 understood. Okay, 1 into numerator the same, which means 1 plus v into cos v. Okay, here left side. Yes, very good. Minus v into cos v minus v cos v. Okay, fully divided by 1 into cos v, denominator into denominator, which is equal to cos v. Okay. Further simplification. Yes, here minus v cos v plus v cos v cancel. What is remaining? Yes, 1 by cos v. The left hand side is 1 by cos v. Okay. Already the left hand side is available, which is x into dv by dx. Yes, up to this character. Now listen, x into dv by dx is equal to 1 by cos v. Now, how many variables are there here? Yes, there are two variables, namely x1 variable and v1 variable. Now, this step comes under variables separable. Okay, variables separable means, say, v family one side, x family one side. Under the condition, dv and dx should be in multiple relation. Yes, listen, here into dv in numerator, into dv, therefore v family must be left side. And this divided dx no need. We want to make into dx. So that is why dx goes to right side. So x variables are right side. And dx goes to right side means x must want to go right side. Okay, x goes to right, it becomes 1 by x. Okay, dv left side fixed because in multiple relation. Which means v family should be left side. That is, divide cos v comes left side, becomes multiply. That is cos v. Now listen, adjustment is cos v into dv. Just to cross multiply, like cross multiply, no problem. That is cos v into dv. Cos v into dv is equal to, yes, x goes to right, becomes reciprocal, 1 by x. Into dx goes to right, multiply. Okay. Now, this step comes under variables separate. Okay. See, v family one side, x family one side. Now I want to integrate. Before integrating, whether integration formula is available or not, I want to verify. Listen, in RHS, integral 1 by x dx equal to, yes, log x. Yes, right hand side formula available. Come to LHS. Yes, in LHS, integral cos v into dv. Anyone? Yes, very good. So, integral cos v into dv is equal to sin v. Yes, formulas available. Therefore, integrating on both sides, integral cos v into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Okay, tell me the answer. Yes, integral cos v into dv is equal to sin v. Okay, sin v, which is equal to integral 1 by x into dx equal to, yes, log x, that is log modulus x. Now, for our convenience, add the constant, integrating constant as log c as a constant for our convenience. Or just c also correct, but for our convenience, add log c as a constant, that is log modulus c. That's all. Now, further simplification also available. Here, right hand side is of the form. Yes, right hand side is of the form is a log m into n. Log m plus log n equal to log m into n. That is a product rule. Here middle plus means a multiplication. So log cx or xc. So cx is best. So log cx, that's all. Okay, up to this correct. Now, say the given question is in xy variable. But now available answer is a v variable. Here v variable is present. Right hand side x okay, but the left hand side is a v present. V should be eliminated. So that is important. Because here given question xy variable, so the final answer must be in xy variable. Here v is a variable which is substituted in middle for our convenience. Put y equal to vx, where v is the substituted variable. So that should be eliminated. Now, listen the rough idea. That is, it is a purely rough work. Yes, it is purely rough work. Initially we substituted y is equal to vx. Put y equal to vx, which is the initial. Put y equal to vx. Now, we want to eliminate v. Okay, how to eliminate? Yes, your idea correct. Listen, v is equal to x comes left side. Okay, x comes left side means y by x. Now, say wherever we substitute v is equal to y by x in the final. Okay, so put v is equal to y by x. Sometimes v square means v square equal to y square by x square. Sometimes v cube means, yes, y cube by x cube. So v equal to y by x, v square equal to y square by x square, v cube is equal to y cube by x cube. Likewise. Okay. Now put v is equal to y by x in last step. That means sine is angle of y by x. Okay. Sine is angle of y by x. Sine is angle of y by x, which is equal to log modulus cx. Log modulus cx. Okay. Log modulus cx. Okay. Which is the required answer. Here listen. Here I have no place, so that is why I am writing in right side. Okay. But your classwork, the place is available in downwards, means you want to write downwards. So mathematics you want to write one by one, don't write inside. Okay. Children listen. Now we are in exercise 10.6, exercise 10.6, third question. Okay. Here solve the equation, just solve. We want to identify the type. Okay, how to identify the type in 10th chapter means, first verify whether it is homogeneous. If it is not homogeneous, then verify linear in y and linear in x. And linear in y and linear in x comes under next exercise. I will tell you the techniques in next exercise. Now, how to identify the homogeneous? Listen, homogeneous means, say, how many times in LHS? Yes, there is one time, very good. There is one time in LHS, left hand side. Here, y power 1. And in exponential, no need to verify the power. E power x by y. Here, no need to verify the power. Okay, y power 1 equal to. Okay, how many times in the moon bracket? Yes, there are 2 terms are there. Here, x power 1, no need to verify in exponential. E power x by y, no need to verify the power. And y power 1. Now listen, y power 1, x power 1, y power 1. Yes, all the terms contains a power 1, power 1, power 1. Therefore, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now listen the technique. Here, e power x by y, e power x by y. So this sum comes under the model. We want to make the form dx by dy equal to something. Okay, make dx by dy equal to something. Then your calculation becomes very simple. So that is why one idea. Now this question is comparing with the 2 more questions. They are the same exercise, 7th question, page number 166. And example 21, page number 165. Listen, 7th question in the same exercise. 1 plus 3 into e power y by x into dy plus 3 into e power y by x into 1 minus y by x into dx equal to 0. When y equal to 0, x equal to 1 is a condition. It is an extra condition. See, why? Because this extra condition means in final answer, substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, we are going to get a c value. That's all. Then substitute the c value in the before answer, we will get a required answer. So that is why they are giving extra condition. And this extra condition available 1 or 2 questions only. So identify whether the question is simply solve or solve plus extra condition. So that is important. So this last part carries 1 mark. So that is why listen, there is extra condition available or not. That is very important. Okay. Now come to this model, 7th sum. Here e power y by x, e power y by x, y by x. Listen, y by x, y by x, y by x. So here I want to make dy by dx equal to something. For 7th question, I want to make the form dy by dx equal to something. That's all. So try to make dy by dx equal to something because y by x, y by x, y by x. So make dy by dx equal to something. Come to example 21. Example 21. 1 plus 2 into e power x by y into dx plus 2 into e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. Okay. Here any difference? Almost same. Listen, here it is y by x but it is x by y. Here example 21, x by y, x by y, x by y. So for this sum, I want to make the form dx by dy is equal to something. Okay. Now listen the technique. For 7th question, differential of y. Differential of y means put y is equal to vx. Okay. For 7th sum, differential of y, therefore put y is equal to vx. Okay. For example 21, yes. For example 21, differential of x, therefore put x equal to vy. That's all. Put x equal to vy. Then finally, we want to eliminate v. How to eliminate v in final answer? Yes. Very simple. Anyone? Yes, v is equal to x by y. Y comes left side. And already you know that y equal to vx means I want to make v is equal to something means v is equal to x comes left side. That is y by x. V is equal to y by x. That is the technique. Okay, to learn these 3 sums, it is enough to learn one sum, any one sum, and the remaining 2 left for you as homework. Okay, it is very simple concept. To prepare these 3 sums, it is enough to prepare any one sum, and the remaining you can do yourself in rough note. And also you want to write in classwork. So 7th sum and example 21 left for you as homework. Now come to that is 3rd sum myself. Okay, take your given question first. Okay, given question is, so listen, y into e power x by y into dx, which is equal to x into e power x by y plus y is moon bracket into dy is a question. Okay, now I listen again. Y power 1 exponential no need to verify power, x power 1 exponential no need to verify power, and y power 1. So power 1, power 1, power 1. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Yes, this is a homogeneous differential equation because powers are, all the terms powers are equal, therefore which is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, and it is a Bessel sum. For dx by, see x by y available only 3 sums. Say x by y only 2 sums, that is a 3rd sum and also a example 21. And 7th sum is y by x model. So here x by y, so I want to make dx by dy is equal to something. Dx by dy means is already dx is available in left side, so dy comes left side. I want to make dx by dy because of x by y. Okay, now listen, dx by dy is equal to dx here itself, dy comes left side. Okay, which is equal to moon bracket should be in right side. Listen, long divide x into e power x by y plus y divided by, okay, so that is y into e power x by y goes to right, becomes divided, which is y into e power x by y. Okay, let it be the first equation, which is first equation. Now listen, using pencil, differential of x. Differential of x means put x is equal to Yes, Vy. Put x is equal to Vy. That's all. Now, see, differential of x with respect to y. That's all. Differential of x with respect to y. That is dx by dy. Otherwise, here also. Differential of x with respect to y. So that is why dx by dy. That's all. Now, dx by dy is equal to. Okay, now yourself. Yes. Right answer is of the form u into v model. U into v model means, yes, that is v fixed y differentiation 1 plus, next yourself, yes, y fixed into, now differential of v with respect to y is given by dv by dy. So dv by dy, that's all, box it for our convenience. Yes. Now 1 becomes, so for LHS substitute v plus y into dv by dy. For RHS, in RHS, put x equal to Vy, that is important. Put x equal to Vy. Now there is no place downwards, so that is why I need the next page. Now listen. Now 1 becomes, that's all. Okay. 1 becomes first equation. What is dx by dy? Yes, dx by dy is equal to v plus y into dv by dv by dy. So that is v plus y into dv by dy, which is equal to. Okay, in RHS, wherever x comes, put a Vy, x equal to Vy, x square equal to v square y square, x cube equal to v cube y cube, likewise. Okay, here x into, where x is equal to Vy, x equal to Vy into e power numerator x equal to Vy already divided by y plus y fully divided by, come to denominator, y fixed, e into e power x is equal to Vy divided by y. Okay, that's all. Now, yes, using pencil, here y cancel, remaining e power v. Also, in numerator, there are 2 terms in which y common, that is important. So, which is equal to long divide, y common. Okay, y common means, here y coefficient is, yes, v into e power v is the coefficient, v into e power v plus, here y means y into 1, so plus 1 is there. Divided by, what is the denominator? Yes, denominator is y into e power v. Yes, over. And that is write this same left hand side. And before that, listen one more idea. Here y fully cancel. So before question x variable fully cancel. Now y variable fully cancel. Then only your steps are correct. Okay. Now write remaining, which is equal to long divide v into e power v plus 1 divided by e power v. Okay. The left hand side. Right, the left hand side as it is v plus y into dv by dy. Now this plus v goes to right, becomes minus v. So write this second time as it is y into dv by dy, which is equal to plus v goes to right, becomes minus v by 1 understood. Now as usual, yes, cross multiplication. 1 into numerator, the same, that is v into e power v plus 1 and cross multiply this side. Yes, minus v into e power v minus v into e power v divided by e power v. The left hand side is y into dv by dy. Yes, any simplification? Yes, minus v e power v and plus v e power v cancel. Remaining? Yes, 1 by e power v. So 1 by e power v. The left hand side y into dv by dy. Now, yes, variable separable. Variable separable. There are how many variables? Yes, 2 variables. That is v1 family and y1 family. Now v one side and y one side. That's the idea. There are 2 variables, namely v and y. Okay. Here dv in multiple relation. Therefore v family should be left side. Here yes, e power v is v family. So divided e power v comes left side means multiply. And dy goes to right becomes multiply. Y goes to right 1 by y. Okay, now y should be right and v should be left according to this step. Now your idea yourself, yes, e power v into dv is it? E power v into dv is equal to right hand side is, yes, 1 by y dy. 1 by y dy, that's all. Now it is, listen, this step is purely a variable separable. Yes, v one side, y variable one side. Now I want to integrate. Before integrating, identify the formula is available or not. Yes, in RH is very simple. Integral 1 by y dy equal to, yes, log y, right side, okay. Come to left hand side, yes. Integral e power v dv is equal to, integral e power v dv is equal to, yes, e power v integration, the same e power v, and goes to power v coefficient divided by 1. Okay. Yes, formula available. Therefore, integrating on both sides, yes, integral e power v dv is equal to integral 1 by y dy. Now, here also there is no place to write downwards in my answer sheet, so that is why I need next page. Okay, now I want to integrate. Integral e power v dv is equal to e power anything integration same, e power anything integration same divided by, here v coefficient 1, therefore by 1. Suppose here v coefficient minus 1 means divided by minus 1, likewise. Okay, is equal to integral 1 by y dy is equal to, yes, log y. So which is equal to log modulus y. And for our convenience, add the integrating constant is log c as a constant. So place log modulus c, that's all. Now, yes, right hand side is of the form. Yes, right hand side log m plus log n equal to log m into n. Okay, log m into n. That is e power v is equal to log y into c or c into y. For our convenience, c into y, that's all. Okay, now say given question xy variable, but now available is v is there, so v should be eliminated because v is the substituted variable in middle. So I want to eliminate v. Okay, how to eliminate? Yes, using refer. Refer yourself. Yes, initially we substituted put x equal to vy. Okay, now make v equal to something. Yes, v is equal to this y comes left side becomes x by y. That's all. So put v is equal to x by y. Start your answer. E power v. V is equal to x by y, which is equal to log modulus cy. So, which is the required answer for third sum. Children, listen. Now exercise 10.6, 8th question. In exercise there are 8 sums are there and examples 5 sums. And I am doing which are very difficult questions and very easy sums left for you as homework. Now listen, 8th question. 8th question, solve. As usual, solve. Okay, solve is the topic. In 10th chapter, all the questions are solved. That's all. We want to identify the type. Okay, first of all, solve x square plus y square into dv into dy is equal to xy into dx is a question. X square plus y square into dy is equal to xy into dx. Okay. Solve the equation means a direct question. And for solve the equation for direct question, you are going to get the answer in C. That is C contains. So the constant C is available in the final answer. But here there is a solve the equation and also there is extra condition. Okay, it is a conditional question. That is very important. And 1 or 2 questions only like this conditional questions. Remaining all questions are just solve. Okay. This part you want to identify whether it is extra condition is available or not. Okay. Come to the condition. Condition is, it is given that y of 1 is equal to 1. See, y of 1 equal to 1 means here 1 comma 1 is a point, which is meant that 1 comma 1. Here y is a function of 1 is equal to 1. Here this y of 1, it is a x variable and the final answer is y variable, y coordinate answer. Therefore 1 comma 1 is a point. And y of x naught equal to e, which means x naught comma e is a point. X naught comma e. So that is a technique. Okay. Here 1 comma 1 and x naught comma e. That means put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and then in the second stage put x equal to x naught and y equal to e. So that is a technique. Then find the x naught value. We are asked to find the x naught equal to question mark. Okay. I want to find x naught equal to something. So okay, first solve the equation. That is very important. Listen, for solving equation 4 marks in this question because we have 5 mark question is highest mark. So solving equation 4 mark and using this extra condition and finding c value. Using this condition, we are going to get the constant c for this part carries 1 mark. Very important. Okay, come to the question. Solution. Solution. Take the given question. X square plus y square into dy, which is equal to xy into dx. Okay. Now any idea? Yes. First, I want to identify whether it is homogeneous or not. Listen. Here, how many terms in the bracket? Yes, there are 2 terms. Okay. X power 2, y power 2. Okay. Left hand side power 2, power 2. RHS? Yes, how many times in RHS? Yes, there is one time. Okay, verify the power. Yes, here x power 1, y power 1. Because of multiplication, the total power is 2. Multiple relation means you want to add the powers. So, x into y means power 1, so power 2, total power 2. Power 2, power 2, power 2. So, this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, step 1 correct. Now, it is a direct question because in exercise 10.6, all the questions are make dy by dx equal to something. Only 2 questions we want to make dx by dy equal to something, which are x by y, x by y, x by y means you want to make dx by dy. And one question is y by x also want to make dy by dx. And the remaining sums all make dy by dx. Here I want to make dy by dx. Therefore dx comes left side, dy left side itself. And this bracket goes to right, it becomes divide. Okay, yourself? Yes. Which is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to this xy in numerator, and the bracket goes to right. X square plus y square. Yes, after this correct. Now let it be which is first equation. Now using pencil, differential of y. Okay, same model here of done yourself. Yes, differential of y, therefore put y is equal to dx. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, yes, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, also correct. Okay, differential of y with respect to x is given by dy by dx is equal to. Okay, RHS, yes, UTP model. Now yourself, yes, v fixed, x differentiation, yes, 1 plus x fixed, next, next, yes, differential of v with respect to x is given by dv by dx. So dv by dx. Okay, box it. Up to this ready. Now, wherever y put y is equal to vx, y square equal to v square x square. Then what is dy by dx? Yes, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. That's all. Now 1 becomes. Here downwards no place. So that is why I want to move right side. Okay. I want to move right side. Now, yes, simply 1 becomes. 1 becomes dy by dx, where dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, which is equal to. Okay, RHS please. Yes, x fixed, y. What is y? Yes, y is equal to vx. So y equal to vx divided by denominator x square. X square plus y square. What is y square? Yes, y square equal to v square x square. Y square is equal to v square x square. Now it is equal to simplification yourself. Yes, numerator x into x square. So x square v divided by denominator. Yes, x square common. So x square common means x square into 1. So 1 plus v square. X square cancel. So this step also you can identify whether it is homogeneous or not. Here x variable fully cancelled. So our method is correct and also steps also correct. Now write remaining equal to v by, yes, v by 1 plus v square. What is left hand side? Yes, the left hand side is v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, plus v goes to right. Becomes, yes, minus v. What is remaining? X into dv by dx. Okay. Now by 1. And now yourself? Yes, cross multiplication. Cross multiply 1 into v? Yes, v. Okay. Now this side. Any idea? Yes, minus v into 1, minus v. Next step? Yes, minus v into v square is equal to minus v cube divided by, yes, denominator into denominator. So 1 plus v square. 1 into 1 plus v square. What is left hand side? You write left hand side, and next step also we can write. Okay. What about numerator? Yes, minus v plus v cancel. What is remaining is minus v cube by 1 plus v square. Okay, LHS please. X into dv by dx. Okay. Now, next yourself. Yes, this step comes under variable separable. Okay, how many variables? Yes, there are 2 variables. Okay, here x1 variable, v1 variable. Okay, now listen, x family one side, v family one side, integrate, we get answer. That's all. There is no preparation, nothing prepared. Okay, listen, into dv. So v should be left side. And also in 10th chapter, minus always right side. Keep minus always right side in 10th chapter. That is one technique. Okay. Now keep minus in right side, and v cube by 1 plus v square comes in which is in v family. So this v family comes left side means becomes reciprocal. Why? Because we are bringing this v family to left. Yes, because dv in multiple relation. So that is a technique. So dv in multiple relation. So v family must be in left side. So this fraction comes left side becomes reciprocal. Okay, your answer is 1 plus v square is reciprocal. 1 plus v square by v cube into dv, which is equal to, see, minus is there available in right side itself. See, for all the questions, minus always keep right side itself. That is, which gives the easy calculation. Okay, next step. X goes to right. Yes, x goes to right becomes 1 by x. Yes, into d. See, divided dx goes to right. Yes, into dx. That's all. Now, yes, this step comes under variable separable. Yes, v family one side and the x family one side. Now I want to integrate. Before integrating, want to verify whether formula available or not. That is important. Formula available means integrate directly. And if there is no formula, we want to adjust or sometimes substitution method. Children, listen. Here, right hand side, integral 1 by x dx equal to, yes, log x, right side clear. What about left side? Listen, integral 1 plus v square by v cube into dv. Whether formula is there? Yes, there is no formula. There is no direct formula. Okay, any more idea? Yes, here the denominator one term belongs to both of the numerator. Split it. It is the denominator is split to numerator. We get. Okay, now 1 by v cube plus v square by v cube into dv. Okay, start your answer. 1 by v cube plus v square by v cube bracket into dv is equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Okay. Now, any idea? Yes. Here v cube goes to right. Sorry, v cube goes to numerator becomes v power minus 3. And the v square fully cancel and the cube only cancel. That is 1 by v. You write like that. That is v power minus 3 plus 1 by v into dv. Why we are keeping 1 by v as it is? Yes, integral 1 by v dv is equal to log v. So that is why 1 by v as it is. And also here integral 1 by x dx equal to log x. Why integral 1 by x dx equal to log x? Yes, there is a logic. Here denominator x differentiation 1. So denominator differentiation will be, numerator will be the answer. Then your answer is log is a function of denominator. Okay, that is a technique. That is why here log x. Now write your step. That is v power minus 3. You see? Yes, v power minus 3 plus 1 by v into dv is equal to right hand side minus 1 by x into dx. Minus 1 by x into dx. Okay, up to this ready. Now verify formula. Integral 1 by x dx equal to, yes, log x. Integral 1 by v dv is equal to, yes, log v. Here integral v power minus 3 into dv is equal to, yes, that is, it is of the form integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is why here v power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Yes, formula is available. So that is why I want to integrate. So integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we get like this. Okay. Now yourself. Yes. Here v power minus 3 into dv is equal to v power minus 3 plus 1. V power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Next. Okay. Plus of integral 1 by v into dv is equal to log v. So plus log v, which is equal to minus log modulus x. Okay. Now I want to add integrating constant. Add the integrating constant as log c as a integrating constant for our convenience. So log modulus c. That's all. Now simplification. Here in left hand side, v power minus 3 plus 2 equal to, yes, v power minus 2. So v power minus 2 divided by, here denominator is, yes, minus 2 plus of, write remaining steps. So I want to write a remaining, that is a log v. Listen, log v is equal to minus log x plus log c. Now there is simplification only there. Okay, we want to simplify correctly. Now plus by minus minus. Okay, plus by minus and the v power minus 2 comes to denominator. Yes, becomes v square. Okay. that is minus 1 by v square, that is 1 by 2 v square. V power minus 2 comes in denominator means v square, already denominator 2, and plus by minus minus, so 1 by 2 v square. And for our convenience, you write the steps, then we can calculate. So plus of log, plus log modulus v is equal to minus log modulus x plus log modulus c. Okay, up to this correct. Now for our convenience, bring all the logarithm terms to left and the first terms to right. Okay, this negative goes to right, becomes positive, and bring all the logarithmic terms to left side. Okay, already log v is available in left side. Listen, log modulus v minus comes left side. So plus of log modulus x, and log c comes left side. That means minus log modulus c. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2v square. Yes. Now left hand side. This in left hand side, say plus means a product rule. So log m plus log n equal to log m into n. That is a log v into x. And the minus comes in denominator. That is quotient rule. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. That is the technique is plus means multiply and minus means divide. That's all. So it is enough to write one time logarithm. That is log is a function of, that is log modulus. Log modulus vx divided by c, which is equal to 1 by 2v square. Okay. Now say left hand side one time with the logarithm coefficient 1. So that is why taking anti-logarithm on both sides, this log goes to right. Okay. This logarithm goes to right becomes base e to the right side answer. That is vx is equal to, listen, vx by c is equal to, vx by c is equal to, this logarithm goes to right becomes base e to the right side answer. That is e power 1 by 2v square. Okay. Now up to this correct, here there is no place to write it down. Children listen, see we have the last step is vx divided by c, which is equal to e power 1 by 2v square, which is the last step, which we got just before. Okay. Now it is very simple. C goes to right, becomes multiply. Yes. Vx is equal to c into e power 1 by 2v square. Okay. Now given question is xy variable, but here available is v and v square, so should be eliminate. Okay, how to eliminate? Yes. Here initially we are substituted, put y is equal to vx. Okay. Make v equal to something. That is x comes left side. That is y by x. Now put v is equal to y by x, v square equal to y square by x square, likewise. Okay, here v, where v is equal to y by x into x is equal to c into e power, here 1 by 2 v square. Okay, 1 by 2 multiple constant fixed. Okay, v square. But v square in reciprocal form, that is important. That is, it is of the form 1 by 2 into 1 by v square. Okay, listen, remember, here v square equal to y square by x square, but here available is 1 by v square. So let us make 1 by v square. Yes, here reciprocal 1 by v square means this part also becomes reciprocal. So 1 by v square equal to x square by y square. Okay, x square by y square, that is important. Now write it directly. Yes, c into e power 1 by 2v square becomes here x square in numerator, x square by 2y square, that is important. So x square by 2y square, that's all. Now left hand side, yes, x cancel. So y is equal to, therefore y is equal to c into e power x square by 2y square. So which is a solution for a equation. So there is no name until to this, so let it be which is, no, already equation number 1 is available. So that is why it is equation number 2. Okay, just solve the equation means it is answer. Solve the equation means answer over. But there is extra condition. It is a conditional question. Okay. Now I want to use conditions. Here there are two conditions available. That is also important. I want to use twice the condition. First condition, second condition. Okay. Now y of 1 is equal to 1. Now y of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Y of 1 is equal to 1 means, yes, 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Okay. 1 comma 1 means, yes, where x coordinate is equal to 1, y coordinate is equal to 1. So put x equal to 1, y equal to 1 in this answer, final answer. That is 2 becomes. It is a direct question, 2 becomes. 2 becomes y. What is y? Yes, 1. Y equal to 1. 1 is equal to c into e power. So c into e power x square by 2y square. Okay, x square, 1 square equal to 1. So 1 by y square equal to 1 square equal to 1. So 2 into 1 equal to 2. So that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now e power 1 by 2 means, yes, square root of e. That is 1 is equal to c into root e. Now using first condition, I want to find the c value. Okay, for my convenience, reverse it. That is c into root e. Sorry, c into root e is equal to 1. Okay. Now make c equal to something. Yes, c is equal to 1 by root e. That's all. C value is ready. Substitute c value in second equation. That is 2 becomes. Okay. 2 becomes y is equal to c, where c is equal to 1 by root e. Okay. Into e power x square by 2y square. So into e power x square by 2y square. So let us give one new name, suppose equation number 3. Okay. Now first condition we used. We are asked to find the x0 value. So that is why there is one more condition, y of x0 is equal to e. Okay. Here also there is no place downwards, so that is why I need a next page. That is, children listen. Now take the next second condition. The second condition is y of x0. Y of x0 is equal to e. Okay, which is given. It means, yes, which is nothing but x0 comma e. So e is of the form x comma y. Okay, put x equal to x0, y equal to e in third equation. That is 3 becomes. Okay, start with 3 becomes. Yes, left hand side y, where y is equal to e. Okay, is equal to 1 by root e as it is. 1 by root e. Okay, into e power x square by 2y square, where x square, where x equal to x0, therefore x0 square, okay, divided by 2y square, y is equal to e, y value y equal to e, therefore 2e square. So 2e square is up to this ready. Now next step very simple. This root e comes left side, becomes multiply. So already e power 1 and its power is 1 by 2. So e power 1 into e power 1 by 2. So bases are equal, powers are added. So therefore e power 3 by 2. One can write it directly. That is e power 3 by 2. E power 3 by 2 is equal to e power x0 square divided by 2e square. Okay? Until this correct. Up to this correct. Now listen, e power 3 by 2 is equal to e power x0 square divided by 2e square. Okay, what can you say about this step? Yes, here the bases, see base e, bases are equal, therefore the powers are equal. Okay, mind itself, base cancel, then the powers are equal. Which means for my convenience, write x0 square by 2e square as left and 3 by 2 as right, for my convenience. That is x0 square by 2e square, which is equal to 3 by 2. Any more idea? Yes, here denominator to denominator 2. So using pencil, 1 2 is to 1 2 is 2. If you doubt this divided 2 goes to right, it becomes multiply, then also going to cancel. For our knowledge, we can cancel directly. Okay? Okay. Now, we are asked to find the x0 value. Therefore, x0 only left, others right. That means e square goes to right, it becomes multiply. Which means x0 square is equal to 3 into e square. Okay? But we need x0. What we want to do? Yes, taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So x0 square, while taking square root, square cancel. So x0 is equal to. While taking square root on both sides, we get a right hand side is a plus or minus answer. So plus or minus. Okay, what is the square root for 3? Yes, root 3. So root 3 into, while taking square root on both sides, so for e square, square root, while taking square root, the power 2 cancel. So that is e. Therefore, x0 is equal to root 3 into e. Okay, x naught is equal to plus or minus root 3 into e, which is the required answer.